Hey kids, I am Pink Bob, your best friend. Come and have fun with me.
Come along and follow me to a sunny farm so green. Pink Bob smiles and waves hello. Healthy harvest starts to grow. Bunny hops with a carrot near. Chicken clucks, the farm is here. Friendly cow says moo all day, helping veggies on their way. Pick it up, wash it clean, fresh and healthy, bright and green. Veggies help us grow up strong. Healthy harvest, sing along. Carrots crunchy, orange bright, broccoli green, a healthy bite. Corn and tomatoes fresh and round, happy veggies all around. Pick it up, wash it clean, fresh and healthy, bright and green. Veggies help us grow up strong. Healthy harvest, sing along. 1, 2, 3, count with me. Veggies in the basket, see. 4 and 5, so fresh and new. Healthy food for me and you. Wash them well and take your time. Chop and stir, it's dinner time. Sit and eat, enjoy the taste. Healthy food is never waste. Gather veggies nice and bright. Healthy food, a pure delight. Wave goodbye, the day is done. Healthy harvest, so much fun. Bye-bye farm, see you soon. Healthy food helps children bloom.
Hey guys, please subscribe for more videos.